Okay, good afternoon or good noon everyone. So at this time, this one is another video on solving trigonometric equations. So a while ago, we have the video actually on how to use trigonometric identities and also the double angle and the addition no sum and difference angle formulas. So at this time we will be having our new topic, which is solving trigonometric equation. So actually in solving trigonometric equation, the concept that we will be using would be the same as in quadratic. Sometimes you can make use of algebra or quadratic mga form. And remember, the concept also that we will be using would be the same as we get the solution set of the quadratic function, meaning we are just going to identify any values that will satisfy the given equation. But the only thing that will differ into the algebra for this kind of problem is that si algebra magod, kung makita yung value si x, directly mo na ito yahang solution. No? Pero sa trigonometric equation, as we get the specific value, we will try to identify or make use of the unit circle we're in. If the given value that we obtain from the given equation, example sin x is equal to 1/2, makita ta dito og degrees measure na when we plug that degree measure to the given trigonometric expression or equation or function, satisfy siya atong given nga equation. So kung satisfy siya, it means that the degree or the region measure or the degree measure that we have or that we can obtain would be the solution. So kung sa iyang pinakalas, dili pa nalakuha, dili pa na mo yung solution. So mangita pa ta using the concept of the unit circle. So let us have this one, solving trigonometric equation. Example, what if you are given sine of 3 theta equals 0? Okay? So how do we solve for that or find the solution? First, we can make use of the sum angle formulas, no? Okay? Or sum or addition of the angle formulas, which is sine of 3, we have theta plus 3 theta is equal to 0. Next, after that, itadapit para maximize itong space. This will become sine theta plus sine theta cos, we have here 3, no, this is not 3, this is 2. Okay? We have sine theta cos of 2 theta, okay, plus we have here cos of theta sine of 2 theta. Okay? After that also we can simplify as sine theta times the quantity of cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. Okay? Plus cos theta times sine 2 theta is equivalent to 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay? So that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Next, we will have to simplify. This will become sine theta multiplied by cos squared theta minus sine squared theta actually, that is equivalent to 1. Okay? That is equivalent to 1 minus what? 1 minus cos squared theta. Okay? In terms of cos squared, no? Plus, multiply tali sila, we have here 2 cos squared theta sine theta equals 0. Okay? Look at this one. Ay common sila actually, no? Then I set theta na may sine theta. So, pwede na sila niya simplify or combine, no? We have here sine theta, okay, multiplied by the quantity of, okay, we have cos squared theta. Negative times 1 is negative 1. Negative times negative is positive cos squared theta. Okay? Plus 2 cos squared theta, okay, sine theta. Then combining, then continue simplifying, we get sine theta, okay, multiplied by cos, we have here cos squared theta, and cos squared theta is 2 cos squared theta. Okay, minus 1 plus we have here 2 cos squared theta. Then we have here sine theta. Okay? After that also, so this is equal to 0, equal to 0. There is sine theta, there is actually sine theta in here. No? Nasa sila yung mga sine theta. Okay, we have sine theta and we have sine theta. So, we can use factoring using removing common monomial factor. Okay? Common nila is sine theta. So, pwede natin pagawa si sine theta. So, we have here sine theta, okay, multiplied by, equal natin sila tanan. No? We have 2 cos theta minus 1 plus. We have 2 cos, okay, we have 2 cos theta equals 0. Tama? Okay? Pareha sila tanan na ay sin theta. So, factor out natin si sin theta. So, in here, sin theta times 2 plus 2, we have 4 cos theta minus 1 equals 0. So, at this time, hapit na tanuman, no? Magkuha nila na ito ilang value. First, we have sin theta is equal to 0. Nara, no? Okay? So, next, napunta diri 4 cos squared theta minus 1 equals 0. Or, cos squared theta is equal to 1 over 4. Transpose mo si 1, divide 4, so we have cos squared theta is equal to 1/4. Then, by identifying the square root of, or getting the square root of both sides, cos squared theta is equal to square root of 1/4. Then, we get cos squared, cos theta is equal to plus minus 1/2. Okay? So, natay cos theta is equal to plus minus 1/2. But, at that point, wala pa tanuman, no? Wala pa tanuman. What we want to identify is, okay, atong ipangita is ito man. Ang pangitaw na to is, ang value ng angle theta expressed in radian measure or degrees measure, that will satisfy this one, no? Will satisfy siya diha. Okay? Makuha niya ang 0, no? So we know that from the unit circle, okay, it is evident using, bisang paggamiton natin ganitong finger that pangadto man ang sine, pangadto po lang cos, paras ang mahimo 0 si sine. No? 0 niya kwan. Kung sa degree nga mahimo og 0 yung answer kay para mo equivalent na ni 90, 60, we have 90, 60, 45, 30, 0 degree. No, 0 degree. Dili mo 0. Square root of 0 is 0. 0 over 2 is 0. So therefore, we can have first value of the angle theta is equal to natay 0 degree. Tama? Natay 0 degree. Next, another one, we can also find out, no, or we can also identify from this one, cos theta is equal to 1/2. Nasa plus o minus 1/2. Okay? Tapos ano si mag 1/2? Okay? So, ma 1/2 si angle theta will ma 1/2 ang cos theta, yung answer, negative or positive, if the angle theta is what? We can make use of pi over 3. Okay? How do we prove that pi over 3 is also 1/2 when it comes to cos? Okay? Anong mahimo man siya gingana? No? Pi over 3. Because, ilan yun ang pi over 3? Erase na ko rin ha. Ano kita ninyo? Okay, because remember, ang pi over 3, when we are going to convert that one into the degrees measure, that is equivalent to 60 degrees. No? Pag 60 degrees ganit siya, that is from quadrant 1. Okay, pag 60 degrees, so we have 60, 30, 90. No? The opposite for 60 is square root of 3 man. Okay? At bang sa hypotenuse, at bang sa right angle, which is the hypotenuse, that's a measure of 2. Opposite to, the side opposite to 30 degrees is 1. No? Cos man ka. No? Cos of pi over 3 or 60 degrees ka, adjacent over hypotenuse is 1/2. Therefore, pi over 3 is also applicable. No? Next, What about 2 pi over 3? Huh? We'll also include 2 pi over 3. How does 2 pi over 3 become also a solution of this one? Okay? So 2 pi over 3 in degrees measure, that is equivalent to 120 degrees. Tama? So i-convert din yung 2 pi over 3, that is actually 120 degrees. Okay? Pag 120, 3 is 90, padulong 3, 120. Okay? This one is 30 degrees, this one is 60 degrees. 60 diha, padaka natin kung rin ha. Bago. 3 is, padulong diha si 120. No? So this one is our 60 degrees, 30. Then also on here, 90. Bang sa 90 is 2, at bang sa 60 is square root of 3, at bang sa 30 is 1. But remember, we are now in quadrant 2, so it must be negative. No? Negative na dito nga side. So, again, cos of 2 pi over 3 na lang. Adjacent over hypotenuse. No, adjacent over hypotenuse is negative 1/2. Okay? So, therefore, it will also satisfy the given equation. So, we also have here 0, pi over 3, 2 pi over 3. Next. What about 4 pi over 3? Okay, 4 pi over 3. Okay, let us try to figure out. So I will erase this area para magamit na to, no? Next, what about that one? So pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, or 4 pi over 3. Ang 4 pi over 3, that is corresponds to a value of ilang ka? We have here 240, tama? 180 divided by 3 is 60 times 4 is 240 degrees, no? We have 240 degrees. So, atong i-drawing siya using the unit circle. 240 degrees. Padulungan ha is 180. So, pilay ko lang sa 180. We have 60 degrees. Padulungan ha para mahimok siya o 240. So, there is ang 60 degrees. Okay? There is ang 30. Again, at bang sa 30 is negative 1. At bang sa 60 is square root of 3. Okay, diri nga side, kani 3. Square root of 3. Pero remember, nata sa quadrant 3, no? This will be negative. Tama? The hypotenuse is always positive, which is 2. Again, we have here cos of, sige na, cos of 4 pi over 3 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse still negative 1/2. Therefore, bakit ay negative 1/2? So, pwede dahil si 4 pi over 3. What about 5 pi? Yeah, tumagan. Tumagan o 5 pi over 3. Ilang ng 5 pi over 3? Okay? Ilang na si 5 pi over 3 in terms of degrees? Okay? Ilang na? We have here 5 pi over 3 is equivalent to 300 degrees. Ganun 300 man? 180 divided by 3 is 60 times 5, 300 degrees. Okay? Next. Pag ito nang i-drawing diri sa atuang kuan, using the unit circle, patulungan ni is naman, patulungan rin to 70. Okay? Atong goal is, tulungan ka 90 to 70. Bilay ko lang, 30 para mahimong 300 degrees. And remember, there is no triangle which is inverted. Dapat one of the leg must be perpendicular to the x-axis. So, diri dungagan to 30. Okay? Pero diri iyang angle, no? So, diri ang 30 degrees, diri ang 60 degrees. This one is 30, this one is 90. Again, at bang sa 90 is 2, always positive because that is the hypotenuse. 60 at bang na is square root of 3. But remember, that is parallel to y-axis, negative. No? This one is, at bang sa 30 is 1 unit. No? Therefore, we have here cos of 5 pi over 3, which is 300 degrees. Adjacent over hypotenuse, we have here positive 1/2. Therefore, 5 pi over 3 still the solution. So the answer is, for the value of pi, we have here, okay, pi is equal to 0 degree, pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and 5 pi over 3. I hope that this will help you particularly in answering some of your activity or assignment in solving trigonometric equations.